Hello everyone. My name is Piyush Rikandingle and I am going to present you new product development process. New product. A market is anything that can be offered to the market to satisfy needs and wants. A new product is any product which is perceived by customers or as being new. New product categories. New to the world, new to the product line, additional to the existing product line, repositioning, cost reduction. New product development process. New product development is the development of original product, product improvement, product modification, and new brand through the firm's own R&D efforts. This process consists of following steps: idea generation, idea screening, concept development and testing, marketing strategy development, business analysis, product development, marketing testing, commercialization. The first is idea generation. Idea generation is continuous, systematic search for new product opportunities. Ideas form using creativity generating techniques and generated thoughts from internal source and external source. Internal R&D and employees, and externals consumer, competitors, suppliers, distributors, online opinions. Idea screening, filtering the ideas to pick out good one and dropping the poor one. Total idea are categorized into three groups. These are promising idea, marginal idea, and rejecting idea. In screening idea, the companies normally face two serious errors and they must try to avoid this mistake. Drop error, go error. Concept development and testing. Here, the product idea is converted into product concept. Product idea means possible product that company may offer the market. A product concept is a detailed version in idea stated in meaningful consumer terms. When developing product concept, following criteria should be considered. Who will use the product? What primary benefit should this product provide? When will this product be consumed? Concept testing means presenting the product concept to target consumers physically or symbolically and getting their reaction. Marketing strategy development. After concept testing for concept that qualify, the primarily marketing strategy is created to introduce new product into market. Understanding customer, analyzing the market, analyze the competition, research distribution channels, define marketing mix, analysis the financials, reviews and revise. Business analysis. This stage will decide whether from financial as well as marketing point of view the project is beneficial or not. In business analysis, estimate like likely selling product based upon competition and customer feedback. Estimate sales volume based upon size of market. Estimates profitability and break even point. If above match with the company's objectives, then the new product concept move to product development stage. Product development. Up to now, the product has existed only as a word description, a drawing. The company will now determine whether the product idea can translate into technically and commercially feasible product. Market testing. Now the product is ready to branded with a name, logo, and packing and go into primarily marketing testing. Marketing testing involves placing a product for sale in one or more selected area or observing its actual performance under the proposed marketing plan. Method of marketing testing: sales wave research, simulated test marketing, controlled testing marketing, and test markets. Commercialization: after successful market testing, a product comes to commercialization stage. During the stage, production of new product on a commercial basis is rapidly built up and implementing a total market plan. For formal launching a product, the following decision to be taken. First, when to launch, timing. It means timing. Where to launch, geographical strategy. To whom, target market prospect. And how to launch, industrial uh, introduction market strategy. Thank you.